Introducing the Gx350i, Domino's thermal inkjet specialist for multi-printhead coding and marking. The Gx350i's compact printheads are easy to integrate into any production line and can be mounted up to 25 meters from the IP64 rated controller, making the Gx350i ideal for wet or dusty environments. The 10-inch touchscreen features an intuitive user interface, enabling easy and error-free operation, label creation and editing. Alternatively, you can control and operate the Gx350i via web browser on your HMI. The Gx350i is suitable for 21 CFR Part 11 compliant item-level serialization requirements and supports EtherCAT for motion control applications. Connect up to 4 heads across your production line or stack heads for taller label options. These options enable you to produce accurate, graphic quality, GS1 compliant human and machine readable codes at high speeds and onto a multitude of substrates. LED status signals on the printheads show the print status, and with the Auto Swap Cartridge Exchange feature, you can quickly and easily switch cartridges without interrupting your production. Monitoring screens display live information about the printer, and with the ability to connect to Domino Cloud, you can add remote monitoring and diagnostics to any line. Easy to integrate and easy to operate, the Gx350i is a trusted solution for your thermal inkjet marking and coding needs. Domino TIJ, clean, clear coding.